In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to work on GitHub with a team to build projects in an organized and collaborative way. First, go to the GitHub website and sign in to your account. Next, the project owner needs to add team members to the repository. To do this, open the repository, click the Settings tab, then go to Manage Access or Collaborators and click Add Collaborator. Enter the username of the person and send the invitation so they can join the project. Once the team members accept the invitation, everyone will have access to the repository. Each person can then download the project by clicking the code button and copying the repository link. In the terminal, use the git clone command followed by the link to download the files. To avoid conflicts, it is recommended that each team member works on a different branch. To create a branch, use the command git checkout b-branch-name. After making changes, use git add, git commit m message, and git push to upload the updates. Then create a pull request on GitHub so the changes can be reviewed before merging into the main project. This helps keep the code organized and reduces errors. Working with a team on GitHub improves collaboration and makes version control easier. And that's it. Now you know how to work on GitHub with a team efficiently. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.